In this short series of videos, we're going to show you how easy it is to add a widget directly into the notice board application. So widget provides a graphical interface that displays information to the end user from a third party. So in this example, we're going to use the Environment Agency and the flooding data that they publish out to people. So what you'll see in the top left is we've got the widget directly embedded within notice board, and it's picking up on the location that we're currently looking at. So the first video that we're going to look at is how we can set up the data so that it can go through to notice board. So one of the first things that we need to do is we need to go to the Environment Agency website, and what you'll see in front of us is we've got the flooding widget URL that's accessible to us, and what we can do is we can pick an area that we're interested in. So I'm going to pick Bedfordshire, and we can pick a layout, and then the important bit is at the bottom. So what this does when we pick an area and the layout is it gives us a dynamic iframe that we can use to embed this within our data within our desktop application. So now that we've got this iframe, here's one I set up earlier. So we have our ordnance survey data in the back just for reference so we can see where we are. And then we've got a list of our regions as a data set. So if I click on this region, if I can go then to item properties, you'll see that we're in the region of Berkshire, and it's using a dynamic iframe to fill that data in dynamically. So if I go to properties and schema, embed this code. If I look at the expression, it's using that exact same iframe that's come from the flooding Environment Agency. But what it's doing is at the point where it's asking for the region, it's actually taking the name of the region. So this ensures that when we're doing our postcode search or our location search or using the GPS on the notice board application, the data that's coming back is relevant to the place that we're falling within. And because we know that this is an about my property notice board type, what we can also do, just to make sure that it's going to pull the relevant data back, is if we go to our flooding live and click on properties and then properties again, we need to add in a relevant knowledge type. So in here you'll see that we've got a web map layers knowledge type, and this is going to do an area. And the other ones that can be accessed from the website, and you'll find these on the CAD Corp online help, is statistics and find my nearest. So that's how easy it is to set the data up. The next video we'll look at how we can actually create the notice board template through the admin interface.